Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
The Mi Band from Xiaomi is one of the most popular devices in the fitness segment given its good performance and value for money price. This year's Mi Band 4 comes with some upgrades which includes a colored AMOLED display and the ability to track swimming. Here's our review for the Mi Band 4. The Mi Band 4's colored AMOLED display is bright and it works well in most scenarios. It has a button at the bottom which you can touch to go back. As far as touch response is concerned on the Mi Band 4, it works very well and smoothly. And I've noticed that unlike other fitness bands which are more affordable, there are no issues as far as performance goes on this one. Like all Mi Bands, this one comes with a lot of features for tracking your fitness. The steps tracking remains accurate and there are no sudden jumps in numbers just because you are moving your hand a lot. For fitness, it comes with various exercise tracking modes such as your outdoor run, your cycling, your treadmill, which is good to see on a fitness band. But we've already seen this on the Mi Band 3 as well, and it's sort of continuation out here. As far as the heart rate sessions were concerned, they were mostly in line with what my Apple Watch was showing for those particular exercises that I was doing. So when it came to the calorie count burnt, which you can see in the Mi Fitness app, I found the band to be a little bit more conservative than say what the Apple Watch was showing. Although when it came to distance tracking, say on the treadmill, I found that this was a little on the higher side, say around 100 meters difference compared to what the Apple Watch 3 was showing. But given the price of this band, I'd say it certainly does a very good job on the fitness front. The Mi Band 4 also comes with sleep tracking, which has been a staple feature of the series for a while now. And as always, it is quite accurate. It will break down your sleep into light sleep, deep sleep, and give you a sleep score as well. Given that it's a light band, I had no trouble wearing it at night. The biggest plus point of the Mi Band 4 would be the battery. I would say that the battery will easily last you a week or more given your usage, and that remains a good feature of this band. The only problem though is that small proprietary charger that Xiaomi is bundling with it. I'd say keep it somewhere safe and make sure that you don't lose it. For me, the big challenge with the Mi Band 4 was actually the fit, because my wrists are a bit bony and if I wore it too tight, it would leave a mark. If I wore it a little loose, it would just be too loose. So it didn't quite get the right fit for me. Also, that plasticky strap might not suit everyone, especially if you have really sensitive skin. So do keep that in mind when you're considering a fitness band. Now, the big disappointment for me in the Mi Band 4 was the swim tracking. Now, this is the new feature and I was really looking forward to testing it because fitness bands in the budget category I find are not always very accurate when it came to swimming. The Mi Band 4 sadly failed to register any swim session for me. This despite me starting the session and I tried to restart the display, I even reset the session, but the data was just not there. So I'm not really sure what happened with the Mi Band 4 and my swim session, but I was kind of disappointed that the new feature didn't quite work. So I had reviewed the Mi Band 3 last year and I found it to be a good value for money device considering the kind of fitness features that it packed. The Mi Band 4 builds on that because it's giving you a colored display. But the price is also slightly higher. As far as fitness goes, steps tracking is concerned and sleep is concerned, it is fairly reliable. The only hiccup that I had was swimming. Now if you have a really old Mi Band with you or say a Mi Band without the heart rate sensor, maybe it's a good time to upgrade to the Mi Band 4. And if you're looking for a fitness band under 2500 rupees, then definitely the Mi Band 4 should be on your list of devices to consider.